Hey, Marco here from Spartan Watches, your source for high quality Apple Watch bands. In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to readjust the links on your new stainless steel Apple Watch band. Make sure you watch until the end of the video to learn about a secret bonus tip for taking care of your new stainless steel link for your Apple Watch. Here are the instructions on how to change out the links on your new Spartan Steel Apple Watch band, plus a secret tip at the very end on how to clean your new stainless steel band without damaging the steel links. Firstly, open the Spartan Watch's stainless steel box. Carefully take out your new steel link band and set it on a flat surface. You'll also find a small tool that came with your order. Set this on your flat surface as well because it will help you adjust the links. Next, carefully remove the protective plastic wrapping off your steel link band. A sharp edge is suggested. After removing the plastic wrap off, inspect the stainless steel band. Nice, isn't it? Next, grab the tool and tilt your stainless steel band to where you can see the tiny holes on the side. Take the tool and put the pin in any hole. Putting it in different holes changes the size depending on how big or small you want your band to be. If a mindfulness notification pops up on your Apple Watch during this process, feel free to take a moment, because pausing to reflect can help you have a more mindful day. Thanks for your patience, my Spartan friend. Now back to helping you adjust your luxurious steel link band. After putting the pin tool in the desired hole, gently push down and lightly pull links off the band. Repeat previous steps until you get your desired length. The team at Spartan Watches suggests removing about 4 links for the average hand. After you have found your desired length, take the end piece of your steel link and connect it to the other link. One link end will have a small pole, and the other will not. Put one pole end in the hole of the other link. With the other end, the Spartan Watches team recommends you use a new pole from the extra links or any thin tool to help you push the pole in as you connect the links together. Your new steel link is now ready for your Apple Watch. P.S. If you're finding any value in this video so far, please hit the like button because it helps our channel grow and serve others like you. And now, to reveal the secret bonus tip on how to clean your new Spartan band without damaging the steel links. We found that the best way to clean your stainless steel band without damaging it is to use water or vinegar as your magic cleaners. Simply dampen a cotton cloth with either of these solutions and carefully wipe down the links on your stainless steel band. Whether using water or vinegar, you will get rid of dirt and grime without damaging the stainless steel surface. As always, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you again, my Spartan friend. Take care.